In this video, we're going to show you to install the tail light on your Toyota Camry located on the back side of your vehicle. Now, once you have your trunk lid open, you want to eventually go ahead and remove this liner here. Now, there's going to be some plastic push pins around the inside. We're going to use our trim tool here to go ahead and pop these buttons out. Our vehicle is missing a few of these buttons here, but this is what they look like, the little plastic trees or whatever you want to call them. Kind of work your way around. There's one up top here. Now we can go ahead and pull this liner back. Go ahead and grab your trim board, pop that back. There's another button here. Now that we have the trunk liner removed, we have access to the hardware. We're going to focus on the connector first. We want to press in on this little tab. Pull that connector off. Use a 10mm. Loosen and remove this large nut here. Using a 8mm. Get to these two nuts here. Now this is loose here. If you follow around to the fender side over here, there's going to be a plastic clip on the inside of the trunk. Let's go ahead and gain access to that. Now right over here is that plastic clip. Use a pair of pliers here and just kind of pinch this. So now that we have this popped out of the body, right here is a metal stud that comes through on the back side of the taillight. So not only do we have to move the taillight outward, but we have to pull the bottom out towards you, towards the back of the vehicle. Go ahead and pull the harness out. There you have it. When installing the taillight assembly, we want to go ahead and make sure that the bottom stud here pops into the clip on the bottom, and this here feeds into the body panel itself. Feed the harness through the body. Push these in. Feed the taillight into place. We're going to go ahead and install the two nuts on the inside here. When tightening this here, you want to go ahead and make sure that they're just snug. So once that bottom's out, just give it a little bit more. They don't have to be super, super tight. Install the 10mm here. You're going to do the same for that one. Take that electrical connector, line that up. Push that in. You're going to feel it in here, it click into place. On the back side of the taillight itself, we have the harness here with the rubber grommet. You gently want to grab that harness and just kind of gently wiggle it and pull it in to the trunk. You're going to see that rubber grommet pull out and seal. You don't want any water coming into this here. So once that's like that, we can go down below. We can now bring our trim panel back in. Once you have this panel lined up, take your plastic push pins. Just line things up. All right, once you have your push pins in, go ahead and flip that trunk carpet back over. Now, if you're doing the driver's side taillight, you're going to go ahead and repeat this process for that side as well. At this point here, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.